Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. Today we are going to break down a comprehensive, step-by-step guide to a truly powerful and honestly highly underutilized program.
Okay, let's jump right into this. We want to unlock the benefits of WIC in Virginia, a program that could literally transform your health and finances starting today. If you've been wondering how to apply, exactly who qualifies, or what the real-world benefits actually are, you are in the perfect place. We're going to make this entire process incredibly clear.
So, here's our roadmap for today. We'll start with a welcome to Virginia WIC, then look at eligibility criteria, the step-by-step application, your clinic appointment, navigating the public charge, and wrap up with some great resources and FAQs.
All right, Part 1. Welcome to Virginia WIC.
Well, what actually is WIC? It stands for Women, Infants, and Children. It's a special, supplemental nutrition program funded at the federal level by the USDA, but it's administered right here locally by the Virginia Department of Health. The core mission is totally proactive. It is designed to safeguard the health of at-risk, low-income families during some of the most critical times of human growth and development.
And get this, the return on investment here is absolutely incredible. WIC isn't just about handing out supplemental food. It's a massive, comprehensive health intervention. Research actually shows that every WIC dollar spent on prenatal care can save up to $3 in Medicaid costs for mothers and infants in just the first 60 days after birth. The program gives you highly tailored healthy foods, personalized nutrition education, and really robust breastfeeding support, which even includes access to breast pumps.
Moving right along to Section 2, Eligibility Criteria.
To qualify for WIC in Virginia, you've got to meet 4 specific pillars of eligibility. First up is categorical. You must be pregnant, postpartum, an infant, or a child under 5. And here is a fantastic fact that so many people miss. Fathers, grandparents, foster parents, and legal guardians of children under 5 absolutely meet this categorical requirement. You can apply on the child's behalf. Second is residential, meaning you must live in Virginia. Third is the income limit. And fourth is having a nutrition risk, which we'll actually dive into in just a second.
So the big one everyone asks about is the income limit. Your household gross income, so that's your income before taxes, has to be at or below 185% of the federal poverty level. To put that into perspective, using the 2026 to 2027 Virginia guidelines, a family of 4 can have a maximum annual gross income of $61,050. Oh, and here is a pro tip. If you are currently pregnant, you get to add 1 person to your household size calculation right now. That might just bump you right into an eligible bracket.
Okay, Section 3, the step-by-step application process.
We're going to break this down into 4 super simple sequential steps so it doesn't feel overwhelming at all. Step 1, do a really quick online pre-screening at myvowwic.org just to verify you're on the right track. Step 2, reach out to your local WIC clinic to get registered. Step 3, compile all your required documents early so you aren't scrambling. And Step 4, book your mandatory in-person clinic appointment over the phone. Easy, right?
Which brings us nicely to Section 4, your clinic appointment.
Listen, the most common mistake families make here is showing up completely unprepared. You absolutely must bring specific physical documents with you. This includes proof of income, like a recent pay stub or a W-2, proof of identity, like your driver's license or a birth certificate, and proof of Virginia residency, like a recent utility bill with your name and current address on it. And this is crucial. The child or infant who is actually applying for the benefits must be present with you at the clinic.
Now, while you're there, you'll go through a really brief clinical assessment. They'll check things like height, weight, and hemoglobin, which, by the way, is just a simple check of your iron levels. This is exactly how they determine that 4th pillar we mentioned earlier, nutritional risk. Please, do not let this stress you out. It's literally just a standard health check to make sure you get the absolute best personalized nutritional benefits loaded onto your brand new EWIC card before you walk out the door.
All right, let's shift gears for Section 5, navigating the public charge.
This is a huge, huge question. Will WIC affect my immigration status or my citizenship application? You see, back in 2019, a proposed public charge rule created a massive chilling effect across immigrant communities. Public health nurses were reporting these heartbreaking stories of lawful permanent residents basically begging to drop their WIC benefits because they were terrified it was going to ruin their chances of becoming citizens.
But here is the reality on the ground, and it is totally clear. WIC is completely exempt from the public charge rule. According to official guidance from Fairfax County Health and Human Services, using WIC does not affect your path to a green card or naturalization. It is not counted against you at all. So if you know anyone who is hesitant to apply because of their immigration status, please share this vital information with them.
And finally, Section 6, Resources and FAQs.
First up, I've got to point out this amazing shortcut. If you or your family are already enrolled in SNAP, TANF, or Medicaid, and yeah, that includes managed care organizations like Highmark Health Options, you are automatically income eligible for WIC. You literally get to bypass the WIC income test entirely. It makes the application process so much faster.
Let's clear up a few quick misconceptions so you know exactly what to expect. First, about food packages. If you prefer whole milk, just know that Virginia WIC only provides it for kids between the ages of 1 and 2. Women and older children receive low-fat or fat-free milk, and they can't change that just for preference. Second, WIC is a supplemental program, so if you're using infant formula, WIC won't cover the entire month's supply. You should expect some out-of-pocket costs there. And lastly, if you don't speak English, don't worry. Free interpreter services are readily available to help you navigate the whole shebang.
I want to leave you with this provocative thought. What would our communities actually look like if every single eligible family claimed their WIC benefits today? Right now, less than half of the people who are eligible for WIC in the state actually use it. That means thousands of families are missing out on healthier pregnancies, thriving infants, and some very real financial relief at the grocery store. If this explainer helped you realize the power of WIC, I highly encourage you to take action today or pass it along to a family who could really benefit from it.
And before we sign off, just a quick reminder, this information is for educational purposes only. Always make sure to verify your eligibility independently through official Virginia WIC channels, contact your local health district, or visit myvawic.org to start your journey. Thank you so much for learning with me today, and we'll catch you on the next explainer.